Friends, it has been several weeks since the last garden update, and I don't just do these for self-indulgent reasons. I do it just because it helps me plan every year and see what has grown well. Nikki and I look back at these videos that we've done over the years, and it's kind of a cool thing just to have a record of it. What has worked and what has not, what has gone awry with our little efforts. So all these plants that I planted several weeks back are doing pretty good, and they've got some peppers coming up on. These are the peppers here. See some of them coming up there, jalapenos over there. I usually use the hose reel there, and I mist. Yeah, put it on mist, and I go around and I do all the peppers. Now these are just doing fantastic. Look at the size of that bell pepper there. I'll probably pull that one in a couple days. Some under there too. These are the patio pickers that I did videos on years ago, and this year I just experimented. I did not use their method, which is to put lime and lines of fertilizer in and this kind of dirt and that kind of dirt. I just bought really good quality potting soil from Lowe's, and I swear it looks like they're doing just great. Got lots of little peppers and stuff coming up in there, but some really big ones. They seem to be honestly, I don't know why, but the peppers that are growing in the patio pickers trays seem to be doing better. They got more blooms on them, bigger peppers, a different variety. You see there's peppers coming up on all these. I just finished watering. We've the pots, the regular pots, we got these at Lowe's, just various different ones over the years. I can see little tomatoes coming up on Nikki's tomato plants. She really wanted some tomatoes this year, and it looks like they're doing pretty well. I can see them all in here. Over here. Deer came through the other night, and I can see places where they've chewed the ends off of some of these. I'm probably just checking them out. They didn't destroy the plants. It seemed the plants, you know, still got tomatoes in here on every one of these, so they should be okay. Just taking a look at everything, folks. I put in there somewhere what the variety of these peppers are. I'm not sure. Like this plant though, in this tiny container, we tried this just to see. I don't see a single pepper on that one yet. It has got some blooms on it, so I got hope for it. These banana peppers are doing really well in these big pots. I've pulled 6 or 8 off of that one already, and over here too. When I get a little bigger than this, I generally pull them. Most of these, there's no way I can eat that many peppers. What I do is I make pepper powder out of them. I've got some videos of how I've done that over the years. I love to take them and dry them in a dehydrator, and then grind the very dry peppers up in a Krups coffee grinder, and then I can make enough pepper powder to season. I just love to put it on everything. I love it in dips, I love it in soup, I love it in on my steaks, chicken. I was just coming over here to look at the blueberries. I've been eating blueberries every evening. I come out and I just find the ones that are ripe. Oh man, this is this bush here is really good. I'm not gonna eat too many of them. I came out here last night and ate a bunch. Kind of my favorite time of the year. From a garden point of view, actually I like October is my favorite month. But I love to come out here and grab blueberries, man. That was I think one of the best investments. These plants are 7.5, 8 feet tall. This one maybe 7. This is about 8. So, and they produce really well every year. At least most of them do. This plant's not done so well. It has produced. It's funny how some years they'll produce. That's a brand new one we just put in the ground there because it's growing up kind of rogue. That one's usually the first one. It's a small plant, a New Jersey blueberry. but it comes up first. And I usually pick it clean before these start to come in. These are the rabbit eye, which they grow really well in North Carolina. They really thrive out here. There's plenty of berries on it. It's been very dry lately. We've had no rain, so I shoot them with a little bit of water every morning just to make sure they've got some moisture around the roots. Keeps the berries being plump. I see some really good ones coming out over there. So that's my little garden update for, what's today, June 19th. This has still got to be cleaned out. This is the one end of the raised bed we didn't do anything with. We've still got some plans for some things we might do. The asparagus is all gone to fern. And the bee balm has really risen up. It's about 7 feet high, and the bees love that mess. Icky likes to keep it in the garden because it just keeps the bees buzzing around them. And that kind of helps everything else, all the other plants. So that's my little update. I have a next couple days of a bunch of peppers to pick and start drying them. Start making the pepper powder pretty soon. My goodness, it's doing really well though. Peace to all who watch. Subscribe to the little channel if you like. Blessings from Western North Carolina.